today we'll be drawing a chameleon. So usually lots of chameleons just have one usual color and they camouflage to a different color. But for us, we'll be drawing a rainbow chameleon. That means blending. So I have a lot of pencils down here. There's green lots, blue lots, yellow lots. You can see it in the next video. So here's a video that I want to show you about chameleons changing color. The chameleon will be very slow. It's like it's creeping up to a predator. And it will change about pink, green, yellow, blue, silver, brown, and that's it, I think. And dark green. So over here is a video. So this is a chameleon and it is red now. We're going to change into pink later. Now, as you saw, it is turning to pink. It'll still be red, but it will turn to pink later. So the eyes can keep on twitching, but we'll be drawing one direction. You could do up, down, or right. So that's the chameleon part. And after the pink part, you can see that it will turn into green. It will turn into blue, purple, and silver. So this is the blue part. It will eventually turn into silver after it creeps up. Now it's already a bit silverish grey. So that's how we're going to draw the chameleon. So, and you see now it's brown. So it's going to be a very good video. So, as we said, we're going to be drawing a rainbow chameleon. So it'll be blending. And I hope you like it. Okay, so as you see, I got a sheet of paper, one pencil only, and oh, this much coloring pencils. It's a lot because we'll be blending and red. So you saw red, another red. These two colors will be together, followed by orange, yellow. These much colors are going to be one lot, and then eventually we're going to do the green one. Now, this is the green lot, and then blue. So we're going to start with the darkest to lightest. Like that. And the last bit of pencils are for the purple one or the pink. And then you can remember, so you can just four groups to do it. First of all, we need to draw the head. The head, you need to find the spot and then go down to draw the eyes. As you saw in the video, the eyes are big and the circles inside are very small and they're very twitzing around. So here's going to be the eye. And we'll do it looking forward to the people. So now, when you have drawn the eye, we're drawing the head. The head is drawn a round arch, squiggly shape like that. That is very big. Now, then from the back, you follow down to draw like a monster shape. You draw a sad face. It looks like it's staring at you. You can draw a smile, a happy face, but for me, I'm going to do like that. Now the tail, you can draw different swirls. And that's going to be my tail. Now, first, last, we need to draw the legs and arms. So we need to draw two straight, and then for the toes or claws. Very easy enough. So they have 4, right? So if you don't have enough, you can draw on behind the legs. Perhaps like I don't have enough to draw the legs, I can draw one over here and rub out the line up there. If you want to be very creative, you can draw a branch on it, like it's hanging on a branch on a tree. Very thick branch. Like that. Okay. Now we're going to connect the tail to the body so that if we don't connect it, it won't be a full body. So if you would like to add some leaves on it, then you're welcome to do it. Gonna use fine liner to overlap the eyes. So that when you're coloring it, it won't get mushed up. Like that. Now when we're coloring, you can color in the eyes. Is that what all camouflages do? Chameleons. And now we can just start coloring. So remember I said you can do the lot. You don't have to do rainbow. You can do one color, or you can do like only purple, pink, blue. That looks nice. And I hope you like it. So over here, there's a lot of blending. This chameleon, and just have to count on the legs. So you have to also coloring the legs when the same coloring. Now I also have done the sun. Over here, the branch, the sky, and all we need to do is sign our name on it. You can sign on the clouds again, sign over here, sign over the space. I'm going to sign it maybe over here. So you can sign it on the cloud as well. And I hope you like it. I hope you like to draw this chameleon, and thank you for watching this video. Bye!